Verifying your account on Cricket Wireless is an important step to ensure the security and proper management of your services. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Gather required information. Before you start the verification process, make sure you have your Cricket Wireless account number, phone number, and any personal identification details that may be needed. Step 2. Visit the Cricket Wireless website. Go to the official Cricket Wireless website. Look for the sign-in option at the top right corner of the homepage to access your account. Step 3. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checkout, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or profile section. Here, you should see options related to account verification and security settings. Step 5. Follow verification instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. This may involve confirming your identity through a code sent to your registered email or phone number. After completing these steps, your account should be successfully verified. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Cricket Wireless customer support for assistance.